Hi, my name is Leah and I've been working at Goodness Gift for over a year. Goodness Gift has helped me become my own individual person as an advocate. Goodness Gift creates beautiful gift boxes highlighting local businesses. And more importantly, it provides employment for individuals with exceptionalities. We focus on independence, job training, and an inclusive work environment. I have been helping marketing, showing the products on camera, displaying them. I was able to learn how to use Excel, Shopify, and creating Instagram posts, and much more. So part of my leadership role is that I've been able to work alongside with my other coworkers. By purchasing a Goodness Gift, you're helping people like me with exceptionalities work towards something meaningful.